Hello, still with me, Mr. Mulyadi. Now I'm gonna show you how to draw Charlie Puth. He is very handsome and idol of my student, grade 9. Okay, let's see. I use black color pencil only. Let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start from the eyes first. Look at the character of the eyes. The eyes is the character of the eyes. Look at this. I draw the curve. The eyes look like Chinese, like Leonardo Caprio eyes. A bit small, right? Okay, now I'm gonna draw the down part. Curve down. Don't forget to draw lightly until you're sure the sketch is correct, like this. Yeah. For you, I suggest you to start the drawing with the 2B pencil, so you can erase properly if you make mistake. And this is the pupil. Don't forget to let the light spot there. See, it's very attractive if you put some light spot on the eyes. Yeah. Now I'm gonna start to shadow it. Shadow, press for the darkest and a bit light, gradually light for the lightest. Okay, yeah, you use your tone of pencil. Now I'm gonna draw the eyebrow. The eyebrow is a bit slanting. Okay, look at this. I try to make it similar by pay attention to the example or model. Now I'm gonna try to shading or to draw the eyebrow by drawing short line. Okay, yeah, after a boundary I draw short line for the eyebrow. You still can see the eyes is very attractive, right? Yeah. Okay, while you draw, I just want to tell you I have 600 video tutorial, drawing tutorial. Okay, and this is landing for the finger. When you draw the portrait or face, try to make it to start from the easy one. Okay, I always start from the left eyes because it's easy for me. For you, the way you do is okay, whatever you start. And this is the eyebrows, and the other part is the finger that cover the face. Yeah, try to measure it, the position of the finger. Yeah. Okay, I continue by shading the eyes. Okay, this is the wrinkle because of the finger press the face, and this is the eyelash a bit. Oh yeah, tip for you, if you want to draw the portrait similar than example, your attention should be model your drawing, portrait drawing. Oh yeah, this is the hair part. I try to draw the boundary of the hair first. Look at that, like the leaf shape. Yeah, after I boundary some part, the curve part, I try to, and then I shadow it, and I still draw the hand. Okay, yeah. Okay, I try to make it this video slow because I want you can follow my video. Okay, this video can be education for the people. Don't forget to tell your friend, because this is useful for people who want to learn drawing. And this is the other eyes, yeah. Okay, I try to make it a bit fast for the other eyes. Okay, yeah, this is the eyes. I measure it, how big the eyes should be same with other eyes, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. I hope any idea from you, what should I draw, which model that you like, okay, and I hope I can draw and we can draw together, yeah. Yeah, this is the other ball eyes. I give the rest of the light spot, okay. Yeah, yeah, and this is the eyebrow. After I draw the line, I shadow it by drawing short line for the eyebrow. Yeah, and I try to shadow it. Oh yeah, and the other thing that most important, yeah, this is the nose part. Before you draw the nose, you shadow the nose, you measure it. Is that the position of the nose correct or not? Not too long and not too short, yeah. Yeah, because I draw freehand, of course it is not 100% similar, but at least the character is there. Next time I'm gonna give you tips how to use the tools to make it similar. Yeah. The mouth now, the mouth position. Don't forget you have to measure it again. Don't too close and don't too far, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, and you have to measure it the position. Okay? And you have to see the character of the Charlie Puth's mouth. This is the lip. The lip is a bit sexy for down and with the light spot also there. Okay. Oh yeah, if you have any idea, please comment in my video. Thank you. I really appreciate with your comment and critical or anything. Okay. I think I gonna continue with the song, yeah. I hope you can follow my drawing and success always with you. Thank you very much to watch my channel. See you later in the next video. Dadah.
Ini bukan. Bapaknya Tung. Ini kayaknya.